The standard equation is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Three terms are there: ax squared, second degree term; bx, first degree term; c, the constant. On the left side, you have the polynomial, ax squared plus bx plus c. On the right side, you have 0. The coefficients are a, b, and c. A cannot be 0, otherwise you're back down to the linear case. So you say a not 0. Again, the standard equation for the second degree quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Now, you can factor the trinomial and set each factor to 0 to solve. Consider this: x squared plus 7x plus 12 equals 0. Do you remember how to factor? When the lead coefficient is 1, you focus on the constant. The constant is 12. You guess two numbers. Their product is 12, but their sum is 7. Well, that would be 3 and 4. You might have tried 2 and 6, but the sum of 2 and 6 is 8. You need 3 and 4 because 3 times 4 is 12 and 3 plus 4 is 7. That means that the factorization of x squared plus 7x plus 12 would be the quantity x plus 3 times the quantity x plus 4 equals 0. Now, if a product equals to 0, you can set each factor to 0 or both factors to 0. So that means that x plus 3 can be set equal to 0. That's one branch of the problem. And x plus 4 can equal 0, the second branch. In the first branch, x plus 3 equals 0. You subtract 3 from both sides and get x equal negative 3. You know what to do for the other one. X plus 4 equals 0. Subtract 4 from each side, and you get x equal negative 4. You found two solutions. Now, there's a theorem that says the degree of an equation lets us know the number of solutions possible. If the degree is 2, you expect at most 2 solutions. If you get one solution, it will have a multiplicity. You can get one solution that shows up 2 times. So let's try another. X squared minus 7x plus 12 equals 0. Again, the lead coefficient is 1, so you focus on the constant 12. But this time you want a product equal to 12, but the sum equal to negative 7. Yes, you're right. Use negative 3 and negative 4. And in this case, you'll get x equal 3 and x equal 4. The solution set contains 3 and 4. For the trinomial x squared minus 7x plus 12 equals 0, the trinomial that's part of the quadratic equation. Now let's listen to that and see how we do. Are you? Yes.